Hello everyone, how y'all guys doing? It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Thank you so much for coming back, clicking on these videos. If you're watching this channel for the first time, this is a line dance teaching channel. So what I do here is break down the line dance and give you the step-by-step instructions. And at the end of this video, you should be able to do the dance. So if you like this channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, share with your family and friends, and leave me a comment. If you or someone you know is interested in the cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And guys, last but not least, I am personally inviting you, your line dance family, your instructors, I'm inviting you, I'm inviting your crew to New Orleans, to the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 7th through the 10th, 2022. So what we've done is put everything on our website. So when you register, you go to our website. When you book your hotel to get the special rate, you go to our website. To see the itinerary, you go to our website. Everything you need to know about the NOLA Southern Experience, the workshops, the theme parties, everything is at our website. So please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Also, scroll down to the bottom if you want to support this channel. We have t-shirts available, towels, whatever. So, are you ready, guys? This next line dance is a classic, okay? It is beginner friendly, so don't get nervous. It is a 4-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. And it's by none other than the comparable, the beautiful Cecily Green. And the name of the line dance is smooth, dark and smooth. Dark and smooth. Come on, I'll give you step-by-step instructions. So we're going to start on this wall here. So what I want you to do is stand on this side, right here, facing this way, okay? So this starts with vine to the right, vine to the left. But before you do that vine, you're going to tap out on the right. Tap, kick, right, step left, right, kick left, step left, behind, step, okay? So you tap out. It's 1, kick 2, walk 3, back 4, step 5, kick 6, step 7, back 8, okay? So you vine, it's 1, kick. So tap out first. Tap, kick, right, behind, right, kick left, step left, behind, step left, kick right, and kick left. So I want you to add that. So once you vine, tapped out first, vine to the right, vine to the left, I want you to kick right and kick left. Okay? All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, kick 2, step 3, back 4, step 5, kick 6, step 7, back 8, step 1, kick 2, step 3, step 4, kick 4. Okay? So kick right, step, kick, step. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I want you to do when you kick right, left, step left, knee up. Okay? Tap down, knee. Okay? So I want you to knee to come up twice, okay? So down, knee, okay? So we add 2 knees from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 7, 8. So your 8 count ends with your right knee up, okay? So I did 2 knees. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay? Now, make sure you see my footwork. Let me just turn it to this wall so we can move together, okay? And I'll bring it back to this wall, okay? Before we move on, because we're getting ready to make a half turn back. So, back to the top. 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1. So, did you turn with me? Come stand over here. I want you to see the footwork. Make sure you got the footwork together. Then we'll go back to this wall, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Knee 5, 6, and 7, 8. Did you get it? Okay. Now let's go back to this wall. Okay? Now, so we just did 2 knees, right? So you standing back here. So you got that footwork, okay? So the 8 count ends with the right knee up, okay? So we did 2 knees, knees. When you come down, I want your right shoulder come back, making a half turn. Okay? So you just did knee, right, left, knee, down, up. So turn back with your right knee up and your right shoulder coming back, making a half turn. So 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, step 3, 4. Okay? So when you turn back with your right shoulder coming back, bring the right knee up, right knee up. Then I want you to step and bring the left knee up 2 times. Left, left, right, left, and turn back. Okay? So we turn back with the right knee, then we turn back with the left knee. Don't get nervous. I'm going to show you, okay? So what we did 2 right knees. And then we turned back. We did 1 right knee, then 2 left knees. And step and turn back with the left shoulder coming back. Okay? So we did this 8 is 1, turn 2, 3 out, 4 and 5, 6, back 7, 8. So before we turn, the right knee was 8. Then we turn back, we bring the right knee back, up, came down. Then we bring the left knee up. Left, left, right, left. Then the left came back, half turn. I turned back on the left, half turn. Then I brought the knee up, and that's 8. Okay, now, let's put it together from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2. So remember, before you move to the right, tap out first. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, step 5. Kick 6, 7, 8, kick 1, 2, 3, 4, knee 5, 6, 7, 8, turn 1, 2, 3, left 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Okay, did you get it? All right, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, knee 5, 6, 7, 8, turn 1, 2, 3, left 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Okay? Now, so 8 ends with my left knee up. So I want you to bring it down. It's 1, 2. So left knee up is 8. Come down, 1, back 2. And my heel is up, step 3, tap 4, 5. Okay, so I came down on my left, I tapped back on my right, came up on my right, tap out left, right. Okay, now I'm gonna make a quarter turn. Okay, so right, I'm gonna go left, left, swirl, tick, left, Okay, now I'm gonna get to that part. Okay, so this is 8. So I step back on 1, 2, up, 3, tap 4, 5, and 6, swirl 7, and 8, and 1. Again, my left knee is up, so I come down. Left, right, right, tap out, left, right. Then I'm gonna do a ball change, which is on. And when I do that ball change, I make a quarter turn. So I did left, right, ball change. So I step right, left. When I come in, right, left. Swirl, right tick, left out. So, so 1 is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. And you start over again. Okay? So let's go work on that turn. So this is 8. It's 1, 2. Step 3, tap 4, 5, 6, swirl 7, 8, and 1. So we just alternating. 8. Left, right, right, left, left, swirl, tick, left, out. So let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7, tap it out. It's 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, 5, kick 6, 5, 7, 8, kick 1, 2, 3, 4, knee 5, 6, and 7, 8, back 1, up 2, step 3, up 4, and 5, 6, turn 7, 8, step 1, back 2, 3, out 4, and 5, turn 6, swirl 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3. Start over again, okay? So this is our new wall. We started here, the line dance move counterclockwise, okay? So your new wall is always going to be to your left, okay? When you start over, it's the same footwork. Roll out to the right, kick, roll out to the left, kick right, left. Then bring that right knee up, come down, turn half, right knee up, left knee up, turn back, left knee up, step left, tap out, step, left, right, turn to your left, swirl, tick, left out, okay? So, let's take it from this wall here and go all the way through. Let's do 3 walls, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, kick 2, 3, 4, knee 5, 6, and 7, 8. Turn 1, knee 2, 3, left 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Step 1, back 2, step 3, out 4, and 5. Turn 6 and swirl 7 and 8 and 1. Kick 2, step 3, 4, step 5. Kick 6, 7, 8, step 1. Kick 2, 3, 4, knee 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn 1, knee 2, 3, left 4 and 5, 6, turn 7, up 8, step 1, back 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, left 6, swirl 7 and 8 and 1, 2, step 3, 4, step 5, kick 6, 7, 8, kick 1, 2, 3, 4, knee 5, 6, 7, turn 8, knee 1, 2, left 3, 4, and 5, 6, turn 7, 8, left 1, back 2, step 3, 4, and 5, turn 6, swirl 7, and 8, and 1. So you're looking back at the clock, at the camera, okay? So that's it, dark and smooth. So make sure you watch the demo, dark and smooth, and come back and peer and put the steps together. Make sure you also visit our website and check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 7th through the 10th, 2022. I would love to see you there. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.